Another video, and we are at the Mahindra stall where we are checking out this. Now this is the Mahindra Zeo, and this is an electric tempo that you see over here. So let me just quickly give you a walk around of what this thing looks like, because I mean electric things are really booming. So Mahindra Zeo, that is the name of the vehicle, and that is how the tempo looks like. It's a carrier tempo, and obviously let us start talking a little bit about it. So at the front, if you notice, you get basic headlamp setup, indicator setup. That's how the grille looks like. You don't get any fog lights, but you have cutouts for the fog lights just in case you want to install. I don't know what this thing does. If this thing can open, I have no idea. Maybe for the wiper fluid or something. It has a single wiper. But you can see over here, this has a camera for your, it's a two-way camera. So it will record whatever is happening on the outside and whatever is happening on the inside. Well, you have a screen over here that's, I think, for the reversing camera. And then you have another parking sensor, and this is for your parking. So that shows how much distance is left, and this is for your visual. So that is how it looks from the inside. Well, that is the, I don't know why have they given an IRVM, because the view is blocked. So I'm assuming that there is a camera behind and the feed will be shown. That is the parking sensor. This is the instrument cluster. And that is how it looks from inside. You have two driving modes, eco and power. I'm assuming the center one is a normal mode, and this is your Type-C charging. That is how the seats look like. No headrest, two seats over here. A little bit about the specifications. So I will just, you can pause over here and read it. So let me just tell you. So the battery capacity is a 21.3 kilowatt hour battery capacity, and maximum power in kilowatt that this thing makes is around 30 kilowatts. It makes around 114 Nm of peak torque, and top speed is around 60 kilometers an hour, which is pretty decent for a tempo. There is hill hold assist, and the real world range is around 150 kilometers on a single charge. So I think that will do a full day's job. And you have a 3.3 kilowatt hour charger that charges this from that charges from 0 to 107 hours in almost 7 hours 10 minutes. And then there is AC charging charger, that's a 6.6 kilowatt hour charger, and that thing charges this in 0 to 100 in around 3 hours 20 minutes. So around 3.5 hours this will take. And a DC, there's this DC charging as well. So DC charging is around 0 to 80% is within 71 minutes. That is just over an hour, like an hour and 10 minutes. And this vehicle has a warranty of 3 years. The battery warranty is around 7 years. So yeah, guys, this was the Mahindra Zeo, their electric tempo. That's obviously a carrier. You can see that you can have some cold storage because you can mount an AC on top of that as well. So yeah, this thing is really good looking, and it has some decent amount of features as well. Comment below, how did you like this commercial vehicle? If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our social media channels. I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.